Hi internet people, Caden here from The Art of Caden, and I bet you're all wondering, a few of you who watch this, I bet you guys are wondering, what is up with this god-awful Pinkhead band? I'll tell you what's up. We fit. Now I'm going to admit it, I'm going to put this out in the open. I am not in the best shape that I could be in. Graduated high school in 2001 at 98 pounds. And I ate a lot, so it's not that I was anorexic or anything, it's just I have a small bone. I now weigh just a little over 50 pounds more than I did when I graduated. And this isn't the heaviest I've been. I've been heavier. And I chalk it up to bad eating habits. My mom taught me how to eat right. It's just all the stuff that I should have eaten didn't taste as good as the stuff I shouldn't be eating. So we've been trying to figure out ways for me to get fit, and nothing has worked because I just can't dedicate myself to it. It's like, I hate working out. That or I don't have the time, or I get consumed with the internet, because we all know the internet is fun. Or as Avenue Q would say, the internet's for porn, but whatever floats your boat. So we got We Fit today. Came out today and we waited at Target at 6 a.m. in the morning. Got in line. There was already a line there. We were the youngest people in line for it too. I'm 25 and we were the youngest ones there. Me and my fiance. So we're just sitting there like, okay. It was pretty cool though. We were talking to some guys who were in law enforcement who were waiting to get it, and they were getting it more for themselves than their kids. They play Wii with their kids. It's cool. And I'll tell you what. I love my Wii. It is the greatest system ever. I'm sorry, all you PS3 and Xbox 360 supporters. Wii is awesome. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like Xbox 360. And I like PS3, but Wii is just, it's an experience. It really is. It's just awesome. So, we got home, and I jumped on Wii Fit. I got my workout pants, which you're not seeing because then you can see how out of shape I am. I got a nice shirt. Clarissa explains it all because I grew up on that. And I got started. And it's really cool because it asks you your sorry, I got a little bit of a cold. It asks you your age. It asks you your height. And it has your me on there, and then it has you stand perfectly balanced, and it'll measure your body mass index, which is actually a better indicator of your weight, of whether you have a weight problem or not. And then it measures your weight, and it tells you what ranking you're in, whether you're underweight, whether you're normal, whether you're overweight or obese. Now I am just in overweight, which I don't want to live with that. I want to improve that. But I'm not obese, which is good. And I'm nowhere near as bad as I was around Christmas time. I wasn't really fat then either, obese. I wasn't really obese then either, but not in the shape I wanted to be. So we started playing after it told us that. Gave us some training exercises and stuff. The games are fun. They are addictive as hell. I love it. I really do. And it's not just something I sit there and it's like, it's a phase. I really like it. Now I'm bored with it. I really, 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 really love this thing. I have already clocked almost 2 hours on it today. I'm not exhausted. I might go play some more after I make this video. I've got a weight regimen. I'm trying to lose weight because I am getting married. Not this Saturday, but next Saturday. I'm getting married May 31st, so I want to look good at my wedding. I want to be a little more trim, and I want to make sure that my dress looks perfect, and that's one of the reasons we got this. Like, I'm jumping on. I've been trying to eat better and stuff, and this is just going to be the last step, working out. And it's fun, and the thing that makes it so fun is that you can compete. You can compete with other people who are already logged in with their me's. My fiance Jason and I have been competing on other things, and today I just completely blew his score on ski jump out of the water because he beat mine while I was gone. He got 255. I come in and got 335 in total feet. So I was just like, oh man, he's gonna come home. He's gonna be like, oh no, what have you done? And I'd be like, I beat you, and then he can be like, I see what you did there. So, you know, it's got a fun competitive edge. It really is a good workout. I've been drinking a lot more water. I've been drinking a lot of water while playing it. And I'm doing pretty good. In fact, I think what I'm going to do is, so people can see whether or not this works for them, I'm going to come in and I'm going to tell people, you know, what my progress is. So I'm going to put it out there. I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it right now. My weight is 154. I'm 5'3" and 154. Not the weight I want to be. So I'm going to give you guys a progress report probably about every week so you guys can see how I'm doing. I'm going to tell you what my regimen is. And then, you know, I want you guys, anyone out there who has Wii Fit, why don't you respond back and tell me how your progress is. We'll make this a little project. We can encourage each other because, you know, I want to be physically fit. I used to be in Taekwondo. I used to be a brown belt. I dropped out around 14 or 15. And I used to play tennis, so it's not like I was a lethargic, lazy butt all my life. I actually, you know, I used to be active, and then I hit college and no more activities. So you guys post your videos showing what Wii Fit's doing for you, or any other, you know, exercise regimens or diet regimens that you're doing, and you post them in response to mine. And then we'll compare techniques and what you guys are doing, and we'll see, you know, we'll see after about a month or 2 months how everyone's doing. So I know I'm not a very big name on YouTube, but I think this is a project that we can get the YouTube community behind, because I think America and generally the world is having a bit of a weight problem, and we need to fix it. We really do. I'm just waking up to this. I think it's really something that's concerning me. My family has a history of heart problem, and I don't want to have that problem. So I say let's do it. I say we make this a community project. Let's see how everyone does. All right? Wii Fitness. All right? It's good. You should get Wii Fit. It is awesome. It makes exercise fun. It makes it competitive. And, you know, it's only $89. It's like the same price you pay for Guitar Hero when it comes out. So I love it. I'm swearing by it right here now. I am swearing by it. It is fun. So I will let you guys know how this works out. And again, post video responses to this and tell me how it's working out for you guys, alright? My goal in the next 2 months is to try and get close to 120. Maybe I'll do it in the next 3 months, actually. That's more realistic. I'm going to pace myself. So, in the next 3 months, I want to get down to 120. I want to lose about 34 pounds. And then I want to maintain that. So, that is my fitness goal. I am laying it out there for all of YouTube to see. My fitness goal is to lose 30 pounds in 3 months. Okay. So, the challenge has been issued. You tell me your fitness regimen, and I've told you mine. Alright? Let's make a game out of this. This is The Art of Caden, signing out.